Hello and welcome to this course where I'm going to teach you ethical hacking from scratch. So I'm going to assume that you have no prior knowledge, and by the end of it, you'll be at a high intermediate level, being able to hack computer systems exactly the same way that black hat hackers do. Not only that, but I'm also going to teach you how to secure systems from these attacks. My name is Zaid, I'm an ethical hacker, a computer scientist, and I'll be your instructor in this course. This course is going to be highly practical, but it won't neglect the theory. So we'll start by covering some terminology and showing you how to set up the needed software and create a penetration testing lab so you can practice hacking safely and legally. Then we'll move to the main penetration testing sections. The first is the network hacking section, where you'll learn how networks work, how devices communicate with each other, and how to exploit this method of communication to control all the connections around you, crack Wi-Fi keys and gain access to Wi-Fi networks, whether they use WEP, WPA or WPA2, and intercept data to capture usernames, passwords, chat messages, or anything that anybody does on the same network. Once done with this, we'll move to the gaining access section, where you'll learn how to gain access to servers and personal computers. So first, you'll learn how to gather comprehensive information about your target, discover vulnerabilities, and exploit them to gain full control over the target system. Not only that, but you'll also learn how to generate undetectable backdoors and use social engineering to deliver them to your target as a fake update or as a PDF or an image or any other file that they might be interested in. You'll also learn how to spoof emails, so when they're delivered to your target, they appear as if they're sent from a friend, from their boss, or from any address that they're likely to interact with. Once done with all of this, we'll move to the post-exploitation section, where you'll learn what can you do with the access that you gained in the previous sections. So you'll learn how to interact with the file system, how to execute system commands, record keystrokes, open the webcam, and even use the hacked computer as a pivot to hack into other computers. Once done with all of this, we'll move to the website hacking section, where you'll learn how websites work, how to gather comprehensive information about a target website, and how to discover and exploit a number of dangerous vulnerabilities that allow you to gain full control over the target website. At the end of each section, you'll learn how to secure systems and secure yourself from the discussed attacks. By the end of the course, you're going to learn a number of techniques and attacks, and you'll understand the mechanism behind them. So you'll be able to mix these attacks so that you can adapt them to different scenarios and different situations. With this course, you'll get 24/7 support, so if you have any questions, you can ask them in the Q&A section, and we'll respond to you within 15 hours. For more information about the course, check out the teaser lecture and the preview lectures down below.